Well, good morning, Richard Hale. School.
Morning, Baroness.
Good morning.
I saw some comments a while ago about you wanted to make the House of Lords more inclusive.
Yes.
For both chambers. How would you personally go about doing that?
Well, and that's a very good question, because we have to have a change.
We are in Richard Hale School in Hertford, having just had a session with Baroness Harris as part of the Learning with the Lords programme.
And we got to have an interview with, sort of an interview with her. We got to ask her questions.
Yeah, it was quite conversational with her, and we just kind of all went up and asked what we wanted, and she was very nice and kind.
Yeah, she was really open and
very honest.
Yeah, very honest. She was quite relatable, and the things she talked about, I wouldn't really expect.
So the students were incredibly engaged with the session. They'd prepared some notes beforehand and they were answered brilliantly by the Baroness.
I think it felt nice
it was refreshing.
Yeah, and refreshing to have that kind of perspective, first hand, and her directly addressing all of us and answering our questions.
Yeah, it felt very personal, and especially as politicians and members of the House of Lords, they're always just on our screens. Felt like we were being heard, our questions. Like I said, it was very personal.
I think it's important to engage with the political system, and through something such as Learn with Lords is a good way to gauge what the involvement of the Lords is. I think it's a chamber that's not really spoken about. It's not very much in the media, as with the Commons.
Booking online was a swift process. It was very easy to book, and communication with the team has been brilliant throughout. On the day it was incredibly smooth, and we were delighted with the process overall.
Yeah, I feel like these opportunities to talk with Lords, it really connects us people in the government, Parliament together further.
I think it was quite good as well, kind of talking to a friend about politics more than someone who's actually in the House of Lords. On TV a lot of the time, if you're watching a politician speak, it can be hard to actually understand what they're saying or think about what they're saying. But when she was speaking to us, it was really easy to understand and really clear what she was saying.
Thank you very much for having me. It's been great meeting you and talking to you.